Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Yesterday I covered what's the Helium 10 CPR number and how to use it, but today I'm just gonna like to cover this PPC product launch calculator that I shared in the past, so maybe some of you can also use it to your benefit. So what it actually does is that it gives you an information on when you did your research, keyword research, and have chosen the right keywords that you want to rank for, either in a product launch or maybe a relaunch. Then you extract the information from Helium 10, like search volume and suggested bids. You can also find out the Amazon maximum suggested bid from the campaign manager when you in the process of creating a new campaign. Just copy your desired keywords and select the exact match when you want to add them to the campaign, and you will get directly from Amazon what's the current minimum suggested bid and maximum suggested bid, and you can input that over here. And then using this simple calculator that I'm going to launch in, that I'm going to share in the first comment, you can select the one that you want to use. Like if you want to go with the Amazon suggested bid or Amazon suggested bid with the 50% increase, or maybe Helium 10 maximum suggested bid, depending on how aggressive you want to be in your product launch. So if it's a relaunch, you already have your average conversion rates for this. If not, you can do that through Product Opportunity Explorer, which I'll probably cover tomorrow. But for the simplicity for today's video, let's say that you already know conversion rates is, let's say, 10, and I like to add 8 or 9, so a few points below that and above that, just for the sake of being safe about the actual CPA that you want to see. CPA is cost per acquisition, cost per sale. So once we have the cost per sale and we have from the Helium 10 or Data Rova how many sales we need per day, we can calculate the cost for each keyword that we want to rank for. So when you combine all of these, you will see that that's going to be $180 at least for getting top 16 positions with Helium 10 numbers. And for example, you can use Data Rova for top 3 positions, and you have this number daily sales to rank, which are pretty accurate for top 3 positions. And you will see that for Data Rova numbers, they're going to be usually 2 or 3 times higher than what Helium 10 is suggesting, simply because Data Rova is giving you top 3 positions. So by knowing all of this, you can estimate, is it going to be too expensive for you or not to go in? And please note, this is just an example data. So I've seen examples where we calculated that for a single keyword we would have to go with $2,000 per day just to rank in top 5 positions. And it can influence your decision on how aggressive you want to be throughout the product launch. So the product launch calculator is in the first comment, and let me know if you have any questions about it. Bye bye, guys.